Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make an English cup of tea. We all know that English people love tea. Wherever you go, you see them having a cup of tea. Now back to the old days, it is called afternoon tea and it is held in many hotels in London. You will see perhaps a set like this on my table, and you will see that each of this is a little cup. Then you have a saucer. Then you have a saucer to go with, and your teaspoon is used to stir the tea. When it's finished, it needs to be laid on the saucer and you drink this way. Yeah, and this one here is a plate. Now they usually also have a biscuit. They have a biscuit to go with, and then they have the tea here. So what they have, they like to take milk. So when they make tea, they have the tea and then they pour and there like that, and then they need to add a little bit milk. Add a bit milk, and then some of them take no sugar, some of them take 2 teaspoons of sugar, some of them take 1 teaspoon sugar. It depends. And then you stir. So that's how you make tea. Once you're done, you put on the side and then you drink this way. Please do not spoon your tea to your mouth. That's not the way you drink it. Leave it and sit on there and then you drink. That's how you take tea. Of course, it always goes with a biscuit or a cake or something like that. Now back to the old days, those tea sets, they made of bone china, very, very fine bone china. And you have a label here, and I believe that's Mason, so it's a good name, good made. So this is happening in the afternoon when they enjoy their scenery and enjoy talking to their friends, and then that's how they do it. This is a old English original tea set made around 1910. Now the china is really fine, really fine and thin. So it is said that when you pour the tea, this kind of china, it is said that you pour the milk first so that you give a little bit temperature, so it's a bit cold, and then you add hot tea to it, and then you add hot tea to it. This way you do not crack the china. Now usually people use mugs, they're very strong, you're not worried about it. So you pour tea first and add milk to your fancy. Some people add tiny little bit milk. Some people add a lot more milk. It depends on your personal taste. But it is said that when you use this fine china, you pour a bit of milk first before you pour the hot tea into it, so that this china is not cracked up. But that one is tea, hot tea first, and then you add milk. So just add a little bit to it. They are the original tea sets, original ones. It's not reproduction. It is 1910. It isn't a complete set, but this is what I have left. Now, these days, the lifestyle is getting really fast and people work under pressure. So, usually you see English people take tea using a mug. So this is quite a thick porcelain. So they take tea like this, and then they walk about. Sometimes you see the school teachers, when they have tea break, they make a tea, and then they take it to their laboratory or to their classroom. And so because this is quite a strong, hard thing, so it's not easy to be broken. But that's all back down to their old days, their tradition. And they have a tea like this. Of course, they dress up as well. Now, talking about this mug reminds me my old days. And this is my very first time when I entered teaching career as an NQT. My school head teacher sent me to Gdansk, Poland, for an international IB course. So that's a summer workshop IB course. That's 2003, June 23rd and July 4th. And that is a fantastic memory to me, because we was treated really, really well, and the Polish people, they showed a great hospitality, food and everything, and we travel as well. And our teachers mainly come from Americans, and the American teachers teach us the IB course. So when I get back to school, I was leading the IB course in biology. So that was a back to the old days and good memory. Okay, so now I hope you enjoy your cup of tea. Take care. Bye.